2004 Audi S4 in for a new CV axle on the driver's side front. The old one had a cut boot and it had leaked out all the grease. However, that wasn't really the problem this time. I mean, it was, but what happened was this one was also starting to make noise, but not the axle itself was making noise, but one of the bolts on the hub came loose on the hub bearing, and it started rubbing against this part, and it started making really loud noises and trying to lock up. So move this one, gonna put this new one in, and also put the bolts back in tightly.